Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be the continuation of my previous video, that is problems based on section formula and midpoint formula. If you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out.
Now let's see this problem. Here it says, in what ratio does the point P of 2, 5 divide the join of A is given as 8, 2 and B is minus 6, 9. So here it says P divide the join of AB. So we have a line AB, right? The point P which divides this AB in some ratio. So we have to find that ratio. In what ratio this point P divides AB? That means we have to find M and N, right? So first let's write what is given. So given here is point P whose coordinates are 2, 5 and point A whose coordinates are 8, 2 and point B whose coordinates are minus 6, 9, right? So let's assume this point P divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. So let's write that in words. Let the required ratio be K is to 1. Alright. So that means in this case M is equal to K, right? And N is 1. So now let's apply the section formula. That is, by section formula, the coordinates of point P is given by, so point P is given by P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here x1, y1 is A, right? And x2, y2 is point B. So now let's substitute the values. We have P of, so m here is K into x2 here is minus 6 plus n is 1 into x1 is 8, right? By m plus n is K plus 1. Similarly, m here is K into y2 here is 9 plus n is 1 into y1 is 2 by m plus n is K plus 1. So we have P of minus 6K plus 8 by K plus 1, right? In this case 9K plus 2, 1 into 2, this is by K plus 1, right? So now we already know the coordinates of point P, right? Here x is 2 and your y is 5. So that means this whole term is equal to 2 and this whole term is equal to 5, right? We know minus 6K plus 8 by K plus 1 is equal to 2, right? And 9K plus 2 by K plus 1 is equal to 5. Since given P of 2, 5, right? So now let's simplify these two equations. Before that, pause this video and note this down. We have two equations. First, let's take this and find the value of K. In this case, we have minus 6K plus 8 is equal to 2 into K plus 1, right? That is by cross multiplying. So we have minus 6K plus 8 is equal to 2K plus 2, right? So now let's bring this K term together. We have minus 6K and minus 2K will give you minus 8K, which is equal to 2 minus 8, which implies K is equal to 2 minus 8 is minus 6 by minus 8, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, minus and minus is gone. So we are left with 3 by 4. So your K is 3 by 4. Now in this case, we have 9k plus 2 is equal to 5 into k plus 1, that is 5k plus 5, right? That is by cross multiplying, which implies 9k minus 5k is equal to 5 minus 2, right? So 9 minus 5 is 4k, which is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3, which implies k is equal to 3 by 4. In both the cases, the k value is 3 by 4, right? So the required ratio is, we have taken k is to 1, right? K in this case is 3 by 4 is to 1, which is 3 is to 4, right? Hence, P divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 4. That is, M is 3 and N is 4, right? Now let's move on to another problem. Now let's move on to this problem. Here it says, find the lengths of the medians AD and BE of triangle ABC whose vertices are A of 7, minus 3 and B has coordinates 5, 3 and C has coordinates 3, minus 1. So they have said the medians AD and BE of triangle ABC. So we have a triangle ABC. So A, B and C. Alright. AD and BE are the medians of triangle this. So D is the midpoint of BC. Alright. So this is your AD. And point E is a midpoint of AC. So let's take this point as E. So BE and AD are the medians of triangle ABC. They have asked us to find the lengths of medians, that is BE and AD. First let's write what is given. So given here is coordinates of point A, B and C. So A of 7, minus 3, B is 5, 3 and C is 3, minus 1, right? So what we have to find here is length of AD and length of BE, right? Since D is the midpoint of BC, we can find the coordinates of D, right? So first let's write that in words. Since D, the midpoint of BC, so the coordinates of D is given by, so the coordinates of D is given by the midpoint formula. By midpoint formula we have D of x1 plus x2 by 2, right, and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here point D is the midpoint of line BC, right? Coordinates of B is 5, 3 and your C is 3, minus 1. So this is your x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2, right? Now let's substitute these values. We have of x1 here is 5 plus x2 here is 3 by 2 and y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 1 by 2, right? So we have the coordinates of D is given by 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, 3 plus into minus is minus 1. 3 minus 1 will give you 2, so 2 by 2, which implies the coordinates of D is 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So 4, 2 1s are 2 1s are 1. So therefore the coordinates of D is 4, 1. We got this coordinates 4, 1, right? Similarly, we will find the coordinates of point E. Let me do here. Since E is the midpoint of line AC, therefore the coordinates of E is given by the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, right? Since E is the midpoint of AC, so A has a vertices 7, minus 3 and C is 3 comma minus 1. So your x1 y1 is point A and x2 y2 is point C. So now let's substitute the values. X1 here is 7 plus x2 is 3 by 2 comma y1 here is minus 3 plus y2 here is minus 1, right, by 2. The coordinates of point E is 7 plus 3, 10 by 2 comma minus 3 plus into minus 1 is minus 1, right? So minus 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4 by 2, which implies the coordinates of point E is 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So 5 comma 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 minus 2. Therefore the coordinates of point E is 5 comma minus 2. But here they have asked us to find the lengths of these medians. Length is nothing but the distance between B and E. So by using distance formula, we will find the length of BE. Similarly, we will find the length of AD. Alright, but before that, pause the video and note this down. For length of AD is given by the distance formula, we know square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So here the point is A and D. So your x1 y1 and x2 y2 will be your vertices of A and B, right? So let me write here. So we have a point A whose vertices are 7 comma minus 3 and point D whose vertices are 4 comma 1, right? Now this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2, right? So therefore AD, length of AD is given by x2 in this case is 4 minus x1 is 7 the whole square plus y2 here is 1 minus y1 is minus 3. So minus of minus is plus 3 the whole square, right? Which is equal to square root of 4 minus 7 is 3. So 3 square is 9 plus 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 square is 16, which will give you square root of 25, which is nothing but 5 units, right? Similarly, we will find the length of BE, right? So in this case, your points are B and E. So the vertices of point B is 5 comma 3 and E is 5 comma minus 2, right? In this case, this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. So let's put the formula here, square root of x2 minus x1. x2 here is 5 minus x1 is 5 the whole square plus y2 here is minus 2 minus y1 is 3 the whole square, which is equal to square root of 5 minus 5 is 0, so 0 square is 0 plus minus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 5. So minus 5 the whole square is 25, which is equal to square root of 0 plus 25 is square root of 25, which is nothing but 5 units, right? So therefore the length of AD is 5 units and length of BE is 5 units. Similarly, you can solve various problems by using this concept. That is, first finding the midpoints by using midpoint formula and finding the coordinates by using section formula, or if you want to find the length, you have to use the distance formula. So if you want me to solve some more problems under this topic, do let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.